Hey, what's up? I want to talk to you real quick just because I got a lot of people on my email list, on my YouTube channel that are trying to do AI automation, AI agencies, blah, 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 blah. Okay, the issue, the business that we are doing is not AI, all right? AI is not the business. The business is getting leads and then selling those leads on improving their business and then hiring someone in a third world country to build and do it all. Okay. Now, understanding how AI works, understanding how automation works is definitely important when it comes to the sales process. I've been selling and doing automation for 15 years on the internet. So nothing's changed. It's only increased in speed and the quality of execution, right? But really, learn a little bit of AI, sure. Like I went down the rabbit holes when it all came out. I lost a lot of time trying to learn N8N, and then when ChatGPT came out, lost a lot of time trying to be the best prompter. All the different things, I've gone down the rabbit holes, but the game is still get the leads, talk to the leads, help the leads understand what their problem is, and then tell them the solution for their problem, and then hire someone else in a third world country somewhere to actually implement and install the solution. Okay, the whole first world, third world relationship is never going to go away. It's still very much a large part of the ecosystem of how everything works. AI is not going to get rid of that. The Philippines still runs most of the American companies, their call centers, their customer service, all that type of stuff. So when you're out there trying to do anything with AI, trying to make money with AI, in as far as in the B2B space, if you're trying to do an AI agency, your business focus is getting a lead, talking to the leads. That's all you should be doing all day long. Not learning AI, not trying out new automations, not trying to do social media, nothing like that. The fastest and easiest way to do the leads is scrape all the leads from the internet, put them into custom audiences in paid advertising on Meta and on Google, and then run a ton of ads to them, and then cold outreach on every possible channel on the planet that you can at max volume, right? If you could cold email 10,000 businesses a day, cold text message 10,000 businesses a day. If you could cold call with AI, I wouldn't want to sit there and cold call 10,000 businesses a day, then you will be able to very quickly make money, not because you're going to be fulfilling the services, but because you're going to be the middleman that is finding the problems, finding the solution, and the people that can install the solution. Now, Upwork, Fiverr, so many places to connect with third world installers that can actually implement and install AI for you. It's all about leads. And that really has nothing to do with AI. There isn't any way to AI get leads. There's no AI lead generation. It's use paid traffic sources, use organic, but organic is your time. And then you're going to go down the rabbit hole of, well, what if I could automate it all? Well, we all know right now we're going through a phase in all of content creation where the shittier your videos look, the crappier your videos look, the better they'll convert and perform because there's so much AI slop, there's so much overproduction. That's how it always has been since time. It's just more personal, right? So really get out there, get focused on your leads, get focused on talking to as many leads a day. Your number one goal should be at least 1,000 points of contact with individual businesses every single day. No matter what the channel is, just get 1,000 points of contact going. Start with 100 and work your way up, whatever the case. There's a million different ways to do it. There's a million different great free resources that will teach you how to do it. But your business is not AI. It's not the implementation of AI. It's not installing AI. It's literally sales. That's the whole business. That's what the social media marketing, SMMA before, what it always been is you got to find businesses that need some sort of service done, help them understand what their issue and their problem is, and then how the solution that you have, which is just AI automation, can help them grow. That's it. Let me know if you got any questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.